Hello and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. This is number 84.
It is.
Randy Moss, baby. The question goes as such. Is there anything I can do to protect my pool equipment from the weather? Rob?
Well, yes, there is. I guess the main concern would be water. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your equipment's elevated a little bit, whether it be on a fiberglass pad or a concrete pad, just high enough so where if it does rain, water builds up underneath, it's not right underneath your pool pump because it'll rust out your motor. Also, you want to make sure whatever side of the house it's on, you have gutters up on your roof so that rain just isn't just pouring onto your equipment. What you can do is you want to make sure your sprinklers aren't hitting your equipment because that's
water and electric motors never mix.
Exactly. So you don't want your sprinklers just constantly running on it. We've seen sun damage in Florida where the equipment's out in the sun all the time. So what you can do is maybe plant some shrubs around your equipment to protect it from the sun. Some people I've seen enclose their equipment. If you do that, you want to make sure it's really well ventilated because the pumps, the lifespan's gonna be shortened if it's under heat all the time because the bearings and the windings are only made to heat up to a certain temperature. So you want to make sure it's really well ventilated if you do build some type of enclosure around your equipment. Can you think of anything else?
Well, we're in Florida, but if you're up north and you winterize your pool, a lot of the times people will take their equipment in, just kind of close off the pipes and bring it into a garage. If you're expecting a really heavy rainstorm, heaven forbid, tornadoes, or anything that you kind of see coming and might affect your equipment, you can take it into your garage or your home just to give that little extra protection. As long as your home's still there, then everything should be fine. So I think I covered it mostly.
Yeah, you did most of the heavy lifting.
Thank you. If you have any questions or you have any ideas on how to help protect your pool equipment in times of inclement weather, please leave comments down below, or if you have questions about this, leave that there too. And for all your pool and spa needs, please visit us over at InyoPools.com. Thank you for joining us. Bye.